Open PicsArt app. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on backgrounds and select the white color. First step, go to tools. Tap on crop. Now select the portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to FX. Select the simple. Scroll to the left and select the Lomo option. And keep the amount to 0 and vignette to 0 and fade it to around 50. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the shadow frame PNG. This is the shadow frame PNG. Simply stretch it and arrange it like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the bike PNG. Then this is the bike PNG. Simply stretch it and arrange it in the center here. Perfect. Little down. Now tap on layers. Tap on duplicate. Tap on flip rotate. Tap on fourth one and arrange perfectly here. Perfect. Now have to tap on opacity. Decrease the opacity and keep it around 30, or you can keep around 20. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Keep the size to 30, opacity to around 10 and hardness to around 5, and we have to erase on the bottom portion here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the background model image. It and you can arrange perfectly in the center here. Little up, which is perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Increase the size, decrease the opacity, decrease the hardness. We have to erase on the bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now go to adjust. Tap on saturation. Decrease the saturation. Now tap on tick. Now tap on move down. Perfect. And you can arrange perfectly in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the sitting pose model image. Pose model image. You have to arrange it perfectly in the center here. It is perfect. Now tap on shadow. Tap on position and keep both 100 and 100. Now tap on adjust. Keep this one to 100 and keep it around 20. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. Next step, go to add photo and select the further PNGs. And keep this KTM on the right side. Go to blend. Make it multiple and you can increase a little size. Perfect. Now tap on the speedometer. You have to go to blend and you can make it lighten or you can make it screen, and you can arrange perfectly here. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to tap on save and you have to jump into the Snapseed app. See you there. Open Snapseed app. Tap on plus and add the model image. Friends, this is the image. Now tap on pencil. First step, you have to tap on HDR scape and select the nature and keep this filter around 25 and increase the saturation little bit. Now tap on tick and tap on pencil. Next step, you have to go to portrait and select the combo 2. Keep it around 50. Increase the skin smooth to 75. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil and you have to go to vignette and keep it -100. Circle like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to pencil, tap on text and you have to write whatever text you want. I'm going to write ready to race. Tap on OK. Now I'm going to select the black color and I'm going to arrange below it. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on pencil, and the final step, go to tools, increase saturation, increase ambience, decrease little highlights, little shadow, decrease little warmth. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. If you want, you can give special effects you want. And this is the end of the tutorial. Tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.